Ten Hag's mentioned the issue of the ambience. It's difficult to play.
Wait, did you say sort of what, the ambience? What did you say? Difficult to play there because it's loud.
That's what we've been suffering with, Flex, for the last couple seasons. Away from home, we haven't been brilliant because under pressure, the ambience. That's what Ten Hag's talking about when he mentions that. They grow into the game, the ambience, the crowd noise. I know you guys find it funny, but they're real affecting factors in football matches. Majority of the people in there have the energy for Brentford to win the football match.
We've been shit at home as well, bro.
Can I ask,
Matt? And that's because of the new style of football, though, Flex, that we're trying to play.